Okay.
Brilliant.
Oh my God. Did I just start it? I think I just started it now.
Oh, you're kidding.
No.
Oh, wow.
So I'm good. Another cheers. How about
Another
that?
cheers.
Another cheers.
My vodka, Heidi's wine.
There you go. There you go.
Lady against loser guy.
Okay. And
The sunset and the rocks over there, maybe the rocks down there. You hear those?
that's okay. I'm better a second time around.
Okay. You know exactly which one.
Exactly.
You get the surfer dude?
Oh, the surfer dude. Way out there. Okay, I can.
That was me out there this afternoon.
Ah. There's the surfer dudes way out there. Okay, and we're gonna.
Well, it's pretty nice.
Are you getting some of the waves on the rocks down there?
Oh yes.
And the burn the palm trees. Oh. And the bird in the center of the pond.
Oh wow! Look at that sunset.
It is beautiful.
It's a different one. It's cloudy and gray.
Yeah, that's beautiful.